already it's off. Yeah, I don't know whether you really wanted to do this. That was good, and then and it went backwards. Yeah, it's off the line once again. Once again. Started in the top position. Very good, but you attacked the top notes, yeah, and there is a gradual crescendo, and really it is a sustained note. So think in advance, yeah, not only of the position, but think in terms of the blossoming, the notes, development. Again, Caressa. So, and also when you move, when you create the phrase, just not note by note, but connect them. Let's do it. Enjoy it. In this case, you can do this. No, not separately. Don't say. Don't do this. Just connect them a bit more. From me. I goes into ka. Once again. That's it for this piece, yeah? Okay. Keep it up, keep it on the